How to contact FuturePay customer care. First of all, go to the official FuturePay website by typing futurepay.com in your browser. Once you are on the home page, scroll to the bottom and look for the Contact Us link. This will take you to the Help or Customer Service page where you can find multiple ways to get in touch. Next, you will see a contact form. Here you need to choose your question or issue from the drop-down menu. Then enter your full name, email address, and write your message clearly in the message box. Be specific about the problem you are facing so the support team can help you quickly. Once everything is filled out, click on the Get in Touch button to send your request to the FuturePay support team. They will usually respond to your email within a business day, so make sure to check your inbox and also your spam or junk folder just in case. Now you know how to contact FuturePay customer care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.